Hi, I'm Amber Maud Cathy here at Nashville Vocal Studio, and today I'm going to be giving you one of my very favorite vocal warm-ups for really getting your voice stretched out, more flexible, and ready to sing. And certainly warming up is a really important part of singing. It's not only going to make that singing session, that performance right after you warm up sound and feel better. Regular warming up your voice is just going to give you better vocal health, a stronger voice, and better vocal longevity across the board. So this exercise, we're going to start at the bottom of your range. Now, anytime I give you any exercises, please keep in mind that they are going to be a wide range for every type of singer, every voice type. You never want to be singing if it hurts, if you feel like you have to push or strain. Maybe we start out too low for you, maybe we go too high for you. You jump in when it feels good for you, you jump out when it doesn't. So this exercise has two intervals in it. We're going to do a sliding fifth. A fifth is 5 notes apart. And sliding means we don't want to just hit those two pitches. We want to actually slide through all the notes in that interval. And we're starting pretty low for me. So we're going to do a sliding fifth on a hum. Then we're going to do a sliding octave. An octave is 8 notes apart. And remember, sliding, we want to hit every pitch as much as we can in that interval on a lip trill. Now, lip trills are one of my absolute favorite vocal exercises. They are great for every level of singer, for every style, genre of music. They get everything nice and relaxed. They take good breath support. I love them. So we're going to jump in and do a lip trill. It can be a little bit tough sometimes for singers to get that good seal, to get those lips going. If that's the case, and if that's you, no problem. You're going to take a finger on each side of your mouth. You kind of have to find the spot that works for you. You're going to press in just a little bit and lift up. You'll notice it feels a whole lot easier. So, a sliding fifth on a hum, a sliding lip trill on an octave, and we're going to go all the way from the bottom to the top of your range. Like I said, jump in whenever it feels comfortable for you, jump out when it doesn't. Here we go. And there you have it. Now I'm recording this at about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I've got a full day of singing, so that's going to start my vocal warm-up. I'm now going to jump in, warm up my voice more. I'm going to work on that upper end, my head register. I'm going to work on my lower end, my chest register. I'm going to put some links at the top there in case you want to jump in and work more in those areas. I'm probably going to do a little bit of agility throughout my range, and then I'll end on a mixed voice exercise. But this is a great way to either start your vocal warm-up. This can be a great cool down exercise. It can be a singular warm-up if that's the only time that you have. You should be feeling warmer, more flexible, and ready to do some more singing. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and please come back often.